Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wealthfront privacy settings and communications preferences easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring your Wealthfront privacy settings, first, log into your Wealthfront account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account settings. You will find the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on this icon to access various account options. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Select this option to open your privacy settings. Here, you will see different categories related to your privacy preferences. Read through each category to understand what information can be shared and how it is used. To customize your preferences, look for toggle switches or checkboxes. Adjust these settings according to your personal comfort level with data sharing. Next, return to the main settings menu to find the Communications preferences. Click on this option to manage how Wealthfront communicates with you. You will see various channels like email, SMS, and app notifications. Review the types of communications you want to receive. Check or uncheck boxes to update your preferences for each category. Make sure to save your changes, if prompted, to ensure your preferences are applied. After confirming your privacy and communication settings, take a moment to review them. If you need to make further changes in the future, simply return to these sections. Your Wealthfront account is now configured to align with your privacy preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.